Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the GoPro MAX2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and open up the GoPro MAX2. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is grab your GoPro MAX2, and in order to open it up, I like to make sure that the screen faces you. And then you're going to have this slot here, which you're going to go ahead and pull down and slide down so that it opens up just like that. Now, in order to close it back up, I do have to pull it down again and push it and then push it back up. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and open up your GoPro Max 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.